I actually living pretty. I'm actually staying pretty close actually. At the Hotel Roy Inn.
Oh, that's nice.
So yeah.
Oh, fun.
Managed to get some free nights in there, so definitely use that to my advantage.
Yes, that's great.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Here it is. But now I'm currently living in Georgia right now.
Oh wow!
So yeah, they have a coaster like this, but it's like 100 feet shorter than this. With the cyclone, that's what it's saying.
Oh man!
Yeah, they also have another one.
A little scary here. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh! I think that's one of the best ones.
Yes,
I've ever
indeed.
been on. Have you been to Dollywood?
No, I'm actually planning on going there.
If you like roller coasters, you need
Lightning
to go.
rod.
I have a feel. Yes.
Lightning
yes.
rod.
So I was gonna say this is better than lightning rod.
But they're going to remove their launch off of Lightning Rod.
They're what?
They're going to remove their launch off Lightning Rod at the end of this month. So that's why I'm trying to go back there. Hurry up and go there.
Really recommend it. Although this is better than that.
I agree.
But you would enjoy it. If you like coasters, shockingly, Dollywood is very good.
So far I've ridden, I think, 40-something coasters.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
40-something.
That was very good.
Yes, indeed. Out of all the coasters, this part's the slowest.
This what?
This part's the slowest.
Yeah, it's a slow onboarding, isn't it?
Yeah.
But I like that they have that screen that has like what's not clicked or whatever.
My lap bar went down, I see.
Yes, it did. It did care for that tactic that you had.
There it is.
Oh!
Yeah.
Please step carefully but quickly.